everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story and happy Friday. So thank you so much for stopping by. I'm sorry, it's Celeste here. So I am coming on with a flip through Friday. It's hashtag flip through Friday, and it is a hashtag that is hosted by Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. And it's just an opportunity, excuse me, for us to flip through some of the work we've been doing or some of the new things that we have maybe found. And so I wanted to show you guys my new favorite magazine. And I could kick myself 1,000 times around the bend and up the wall because I procrastinated. And now I only have issue 1 and 2 and 5. And 1, 2, and 5, there you can see. And I'm missing 3 and 4. So I did reach out to Color Club magazine, and it does look like they might be printing issue 4 because everybody's asking. So I think I'm gonna have to go up a little bit so we can get the whole magazine in here. But as an artist and as a creative and as somebody who just loves color, this magazine is chock-a-block, you guys, with art and design, recipe, wellness, creative ideas for your creative business, and extras. They feature books by authors, and also just some really beautiful artwork that is inspirational to me. They also feature artists and tell their story and feature their art, which I love, 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 love. So gorgeous art in here. And I'm going to have to probably go a little quicker if I'm going to get through this. They also have these color swatches, which is super helpful to me when I'm trying to decide, what looks good together. The 10 aesthetics of joy, all these cute little sort of clip art ideas. There's a lot of affirmations, recipes, vegan cup. Look at cherries are big at the moment, I believe. Just a lot of ideas, a lot of art from a lot of artists. And look at that. I mean, if you want to do pattern, I love doing pattern design. Excuse me. Love it so much. So much, you guys. So if you are somebody, excuse me, looking for creative ideas, affirmations, color combinations, stories about other artists and what they're doing, this is the ideas for a planner, maybe. A cute little word search at the back. Here is my issue 2. Man, I could kick myself for not going, and I've now subscribed. I now will get them I think it's every 3 months, so every quarter you will get more books by artists. Every quarter I will get my copy. So just some quotes from artists, which I also really love. So if you are into flower arranging, obviously issue number 2 is going to be great. I think I did see, here are birth flowers. So if you know what your birth flower is, I'm April, so I'm going to be Daisy and Sweet Pea. So I have cheer, optimism, transformation, friendship, gratitude, and not goodbyes. No, don't. I don't like goodbyes. So just lots. A story about another artist. I like to see what other artists are doing and what their inspiration is and how they got started, and cocktails. These are nice. So recipes, lots of color combinations. Guys, I know I'm going through this really quickly. Collage, look at this. Awesome collage ideas. Oh my, look at this cat, and it's very Asian looking design, very I love some expressionistic, almost tone on tone. And maybe just to give you ideas of, look at these stamps, guys. Oh, those are nice. I like those. Seed packets, just a lot of really fun ideas that you could be, oh, very ethnic art. Beautiful, just poetry. Oh man, affirmations. I just like building your creative brands. A lot of advice as well in these magazines, which I find very helpful as well, especially if you are trying to build a business. You know what I've always tried? I've always wanted to do posters with a message, and somehow I've never been successful. So when I saw this, I thought, oh gosh, I need to. They don't tell me who the artist is here, because I would have loved to have gone and looked at more of their work. But it is sort of tone on tone, which I probably wouldn't have done, but it looks so good. Yeah, awesome source stuff, guys, just awesome source. See if they, oh, the first one had a word search. This one doesn't, but it does have these coloring in pages. Oh, I think what I was trying to say earlier on is, I want to draw more bees. These are kind of nice. Is that I did see copies, older copies on eBay. Obviously, you're going to pay a bit more. I think they were, because these magazines are about $12.99 before tax and shipping. And I think the subscription, artists' books, subscription is about $40 a year. So it's not too bad. Textile art. Thinking of Lisa from Orange Eyes, she does a lot of textile art. Yeah, just the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. So lesson in patience, one I don't have. Oh man, meringues. Oh, no, not meringues. Oh, recipes. These recipes are really cool. Home in Heart, World in Hands. Good. Oh my gosh, these, if I had a home that had stairs, I don't, but if I did, I'm pretty sure I would do that, probably with wallpaper. Probably put wallpaper there. All these design ideas if you are thinking of redesigning your home. So beautiful, you guys. Just the colorful living by this artist. Is it who is this artist? Rachel May Smith. Okay, so that's great. So I can go and look her up because I love color. So many amazing. She does earrings and decor. Oh, this looks like pastels. Art is the stored honey of the human soul. That's beautiful. Okay, another artist's story, and I think this artist is Margaret Wilborn. She's more probably traditional, and cottage core, I think. Some ceramic art. Oh my gosh, they've gone from books by authors, books by artists, ceramics, pastels, collage, pattern design. I mean, it's flower arranging. It's all in here, you guys. Color combinations, color swatches, affirmations, posters. Boost your mood. Yep, with color. Boost your mood with color. The colors that might. Oh my gosh, I wrote an article. I write, for anybody who doesn't know. That's my other thing I do. And I wrote an article about pink on a platform called Medium. Imperfect meditation, Gina. Perfectly imperfect junk journals is Gina, so her name popped into my head. And because nothing's perfect, right? Perfection would be boring. I think perfection is boring. Living with intention. One day you will look back and see that all along you were blooming. That's from Morgan Harper Nichols. I love affirmations like this. More color swatches. I love the colors. Oh my, look, lots of color swatches and color ideas for anybody who is maybe painting or putting together a journal and they want to make it themed by color. Just guys, so this is my Friday flip through, and it is just to show you guys, write it down. What versions of myself have I outgrown? What wants to emerge now? So lots of ideas to kind of dig a little deeper. Yeah, just some ideas, and I hope you guys go and check out these magazines. I am really, really hoping, holding thumbs, crossing fingers, that I can get more of these copies to complete my collection, because I love it. All right, you guys, thank you so much, Gwen, for the hashtag and giving me the opportunity to share with the Flip Through Friday. And also, I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. So I will see you next time. Bye.